I will show you how to download and install VS Code and set up for web development. First search for VS Code and download Visual Studio Code, and this link will get opened. You guys can check that you can download for Windows, Debian, Mac, Linux, etc. Download it for Windows and or any respective operating systems. So here your download will be started automatically. In the download section, you can search for VS Code and it's getting installed. Until it is installed, it totally depends on your internet speed. I will open it in the folder. So here is my folder, and now it's time to open the setup. Setup is open. I accept the agreement. You have to check, then click the next. And then you need some space, which is like mentioned of the in the MBs, or you can change the location also. So click next, then next. Okay, perfect. You can change the name, but it's perfect. Then you have to check all these check boxes. So your VS Code setup, awesome. Now it is getting installed. You guys can check that it totally depends on your PC speed, that how much speed your PC actually is. My PC is a little bit fast, but not that much. So VS Code is installed. I will click and finish so that my VS Code gets on. So you guys can check that this is started. Now it's the perfect time to set it up for the web development completely. So I will like close extra things, and now it's time to do some of the setup. For that, I will create a new folder. I think on the website I cannot create the new folder. I will create a new folder here with the name my codes, yeah, and I will open it with the VS Code. Open with code, and yeah, it is opened in VS Code. You guys can check that I have the agent also in the right side, and I have some options of the extensions at the left side. So I would install some of the extensions for full stack web development, which is prettier, which can edit my code, ESLint, ES7, MongoDB, .env, and yeah, that. And then I for the A integrations in website, I need GitHub Copilot, AI code editor, Python, or these things. And for the development tools, I need Docker and etc. Okay, so now it's time to install these all at one click. So how? Create new terminal and paste this code and paste this command in your terminal. Okay, so this is the command which you must have to run in your terminal so that all your essential extensions for web development get installed. So I will paste a command in the comment section also, or you can ask for it in the comments. I will suggest it to you, or you guys can also use the VS Code agent at the right side like this. Okay, you guys can do both. Run this command or ask the agent to install all these extensions for you. Okay, take the screenshot of this command and paste it at your agent and ask agent to run this, and yeah, it will be running and it will download all the extensions you need for VS Code. I will show the extensions to you also after a bit it is installed. It may take 5 to 6 minutes for installation depending totally on your internet speeds. So these are all extensions that are getting installed for me, and agent is all like searching for any missing extensions. Okay, you guys can check that these extensions are necessary. You can also stop it video and then search it for in the extensions. You guys can download it from the extension section of your VS Code. So these are getting installed for me, and yeah, we will wait for it, and until it is installed I would show you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you must subscribe to my channel, and these are all extensions which are installed, and these are enough for my full stack web development. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.